those mid-project moments when you can't remember how to join your binding ends? The Quilter's Quick Reference Guide from C&T Publishing is what you need. This tabletop quilting sidekick is designed to keep key information and techniques close to you while you sew. The Quilter's Quick Reference Guide is an all-in-one indexed reference tool that stands upright on its own, so you can see everything at a glance. It has extra thick, coated pages, so it's made to live on a sewing table, be flipped through often, and hold up to everyday use. Inside, there are easy-to-read charts and color-coded tabs that cover the information quilters look up most often. You'll find cheat sheets for cutting and piecing multiple half-square triangles, flying geese, and other commonly used blocks, as well as essential basics for borders, backing, and binding. There's guidance on stitch tension, thread weight, and sewing machine needle types. The guide is designed as a quilt smarter, not harder tool, with the answers right in front of you. No needing to scroll a screen or dig through stacks of books. And for a fun bonus, the back of each page includes a diagrammed quilt block. There's 36 blocks in total, each with cutting charts and diagrams, so this isn't just a reference, it's also a mini block library that can inspire new projects or help fill in design gaps. The Quilter's Quick Reference Guide is designed to earn a permanent spot on a sewing table. It's helpful for confident beginners who want reassurance that they're getting the numbers right, and it's equally useful for experienced quilters who want to save time and keep essential info in one place. The Quilter's Quick Reference Guide from C&T Publishing, a sturdy tabletop reference designed to make your quilting time smoother, more efficient, and full of new ideas.